Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning into the Mozam Classic Tours and Movers channel. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. As usual, I'm your host, Daniel Chiza, the Hot Muchiga. Yes, so are you a company or do you have a group of 14 people looking to travel in style and VIP style? Yeah. Mozam Classic Tours has got you covered. Today, I want to introduce to you the Toyota Hiace, a minibus. Yes, in our local language here in Uganda, they call it a drone. So this is the type of car that will travel to take you to wherever you want to move in style. Thank you to all our loyal customers who have been reaching out to us and getting cars from us. We really appreciate your love and your support. We can't wait to see many more of you coming and hiring cars from us. Mozam Classic Tours and Movers, making discoveries.